Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make effective salmon lures. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need a durable wood blank, perhaps 3 to 6 inches in length, along with lead weights for balance. Don't forget stainless steel wire for strength, and a variety of paints to attract those big fish. Having your tools like a small saw and sandpaper ready will make the process much smoother. Now, let's get creative and shape our lure body. Begin by carefully cutting your wood blank into the desired fish-like profile. Remember, a realistic shape can significantly increase your chances of a catch. Next, sand the entire body until it's perfectly smooth, ensuring no rough spots remain. Then, drill a small, precise hole for your lead weight, which is crucial for achieving the perfect swimming action in the water. With our lure shaped, it's time to bring it to life with color. Start by applying a good primer coat. This helps your paint stick better and last longer. Then, unleash your artistic side, painting vibrant patterns and adding realistic details like eyes and gill plates. Think about what colors salmon are attracted to in your fishing area. Finally, apply several coats of a durable clear epoxy or lacquer to protect your masterpiece from the elements and sharp fish teeth. Our lure is almost ready for action. The next step is rigging it properly. Attach sturdy split rings and sharp treble hooks to ensure you can land that big salmon. Double-check all your connections to make sure they are incredibly secure. You don't want to lose a fish because of a weak link. Finally, test your lure's swimming action in a bathtub or a clear bucket. If it doesn't swim perfectly, make small adjustments to its weight or shape until it does.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.